This is the first ever Tour de Hunter Mill. This is an inaugural bike event. It's not a race, but we have 3 different bike tours that about 200 people have signed up to do. So we have a 5-mile family ride. We also have a 15-mile for more adventurous folks actually getting on Metro. That's the one I'm going to try to do and come back. And then we have a 20-mile more scenic ride. So this is an opportunity for folks to see Hunter Mill in a different way on a beautiful day. It's important to have folks engaged in doing something together to get more people out on our trails, into our bike lanes, and using alternative modes of transportation, not just for leisure purposes, which is really what today is about, but also to demonstrate how it can be used to get people to work. I think it's important for people to understand that the infrastructure for biking is actually really coming along.
But getting out there today, seeing new routes, seeing new ways to get around, new opportunities to bike is really exciting for me, and I know exciting for all of you out here today as we make progress making Fairfax County a much more safe, pedestrian and bicycle-friendly community.
You know, we have 1 million people living in the county, and there's a lot of cars, and there's a lot of roads, and a lot of congestion. And for the past 10+ years, we've been helping the county realize that citizens need to get out of their cars.
This really gives folks an opportunity, if this is a route that you don't normally take, or maybe you haven't ridden on this before, to see a different part of Hunter Mill. You know, it's very different whenever you're on a bicycle and you go through an area and see something than if you're in a car. You actually can be part of the environment, and that's actually something we want to make sure everyone in our community gets an opportunity to do.